everyone, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have this purple makeup tutorial for you guys, and I am super excited for you guys to watch this tutorial. I actually did a tutorial very similar to this makeup look last year, but I really just did not like the way that video turned out, and since I have gotten better with editing and better with makeup, I decided to recreate my purple eyeshadow look for you guys. So that is just what we are going to be doing today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so the first shadow that I'm going to use is from the Sephora Beyond the Stars eyeshadow slash makeup palette. This was the palette that came out last year during the holiday time that they released for Christmas as like one of their little Christmas gift sets type of things. I'm actually going to be using the light nuded color in the palette as my transition shade in my crease, and I'm just going to be applying that using this little teeny tiny crease brush. Alright, now I'm going to take the white lavender from my 250 Ultimate Eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to pop that into my crease. I'm quickly going to take my blending brush and I'm just going to blend out that crease color. Jumping back into my Sephora Beyond the Stars makeup palette, I am going to take the light shimmering purple shade and I am just going to apply that to my lid using the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take the deeper purple next to the light shimmery one that was just used on the eyelid, and I am going to take a tiny little crease brush and I'm going to apply the dark purple shade to the outer half of my lid and a little bit into my crease. I'm going to take my blending brush one more time and blend everything out, and then we will be done with the eyeshadow. Now I'm quickly going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and then we will be done with the eyes. The mascara that I'm going to be using today is the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. The rest of my face, I'm quickly going to bronze up my skin using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Champagne Rose as a bronzer, and this is just what it looks like. I have almost hit pan completely on this little product, and I'm just going to use this e.l.f. angled blush brush to apply my bronzer. Blush, I'm just going to use this really pretty baby pink blush in the shade Shy from e.l.f. and this is just what it looks like, and I am going to be using the unicorn blush brush to apply it. Last but certainly not least for face is highlighter, and for highlighter today I'm going to use my e.l.f. Illuminating Face Palette, and the highlighter that I'm going to use is just the pink one right there. I am obsessed with this highlighter. It is so beautiful and just so glowy, and it is going to go perfect with this eye look. For lips, I'm going to use a combination of two things, and then we will be done. First, I'm going to go in with this Covergirl Exhibitionist lipstick in the shade Streaker. This is just a really pretty cool toned nude, so it's going to go perfect with this eye look today. And then I'm going to go over the top of it with this LA Colors lip gloss in the shade Pouty. Alright you guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you all did enjoy it. And if you recreate this look, please tweet me or Instagram me a picture of it. All of my social media accounts are linked down below. If you want to go follow me on there, you can. And until next time, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.